This is cycle 1, week 18 and 19. These weeks we are talking about Mesoamerica and the Mesoamerican regions. Look on my map here. We have this little inset that I've colored in on both sides here to show you. And if we look at a world map, I'm going to go here because I've colored it in. If we look at a world map, we're actually talking about this little area right here, right to the south of North America, to the north of South America. So this is the Mesoamerica. Meso means middle. So in the timeline song, when we sing about the Mesoamerica, we always point to our middle. This is why, because it's in the middle of America. We're going to start with the Gulf of Mexico. We learned this actually last year, if you guys remember. So this is the Gulf of Mexico. It borders, this is Florida, up into Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas. These are the states that the Gulf of Mexico border, all the way down here into Mexico. So this is the Gulf of Mexico. This is the Atlantic Sea. So this is where, Atlantic Ocean, I'm sorry, Atlantic Ocean. And it kind of funnels in and makes a smaller little body of water here called a Gulf, the Gulf of Mexico. Next, we're going to talk about the Yucatan Peninsula. Yucatan, tomato. Yucatan Peninsula. Now, if you recall, a peninsula is a landform that is surrounded by water on 3 sides. We have 1, 2, 3. So this is a peninsula. If we're looking at a bigger map, look, it sticks out a little bit right there. You see? Florida, by the way, is also a peninsula in North America, but that's not what we're talking about today. So, Yucatan Peninsula, we're going to talk about Maya, Olmec, and Aztec. And here's how you can keep these separate. Olmec almost makes an O. Look at here. It's a almost make an O. It's about a half O. And Aztec, look, this little green thing here, this looks like a very artistic blob, right? And the Aztecs were known for their beautiful artwork. So we can remember that Aztec, art, and this is super artistic. So Aztec, Olmec, Maya. Then we're going to sing about Chichen Itza, which is the first one. First city that we're going to talk about in the Maya civilization. Chichen Itza, Mayapan. Maya is in there, so we should know this. Mayapan, Chichen Itza, Oaxaca. An X makes the H sound in the Spanish alphabet. So this is Oaxaca. And this area right here, remember we just said, is in the Aztec civilization. Then we have Mexico City and Lake Texcoco. Our song is set to the tune of Dora the Explorer. And if you have kids like mine, you will know that Dora is from, where's she from, girls? Mexico. Yeah, thanks, girls, for leaving me hanging. Dora is from Mexico. She's actually from a little town called Acapulco, which is kind of close to Mexico City. Here's Mexico City. It's like down here. So she's actually from an area called Acapulco, which is close to Mexico City. But she's from Mexico. All right, girls, you ready to sing our song?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing our song. Mesoamerica, Mesoamerica, Gulf of Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Maya, Olmec, Aztec civilization,
Chichen Itza, Mayapan, Oaxaca, Mexico City, Lake Texcoco.
Mesoamerica, Mesoamerica,
Gulf of Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula,
Maya, Olmec, Aztec civilization,
Chichen Itza, Mayapan, Oaxaca, Mexico City, Lake Texcoco.
Mesoamerica, Mesoamerica. Good job. Good job. Look here. This is a map of the world, and just to reiterate this, because it's kind of hidden here. We're talking about this area right here. Okay. Happy learning, everyone.
Happy learning. Bye, Bob.